Now and a live look out at the Dan Ryan. Oh, that sunshine. You can see the shadows of the building. Just glorious out there.
Yeah, you know, this is payback for everything we had to deal with last week, but we will take it and we hope we can continue to ride this.
All week long. Rob and Erica, yes, it looks quite nice. But our eyes are on the Hurricane Florence tonight because it is situated here just to the southeast of Bermuda. Hurricane hunters have been inside the storm, evaluating it, taking the wind speeds, and they've noticed that the hurricane force winds have doubled in size over the last 12 hours. It has strengthened now to Category 4. Winds are 140 miles per hour. It's moving west-northwest for now at 13 miles per hour. The long-range track turns it a little more northwesterly with a possible landfall by Thursday afternoon. This is the 2 o'clock position, still a healthy Category 4. Just offshore, this is Wilmington, North Carolina. Currently, it's about 1,100 miles from Cape Fear, North Carolina, and it is expected to affect that coastline during the day Thursday and then still hold tropical storm status over Raleigh. So far inland, we're going to see some big flooding problems with this system as it moves in. Now, when we look at Futurecast, notice how high pressure here over our region is keeping conditions super quiet for us while we see the hurricane start to make contact with that extremely warm water. Upper level winds are light and favorable for it to hold together as a Category 4 as it continues moving over these very warm waters. And then by the time we get into Thursday morning, Thursday afternoon, this is 1:30. This is Wilmington here, but anywhere from Charleston all the way up to Norfolk, we have to watch because that cone of air as it gets closer to land could fluctuate a little bit. But today, as I mentioned, is the peak of hurricane season, September 10th. And we have 3 hurricanes that we're tracking. Isaac, Helene are on the tails here of Florence, but it's Florence that we are concerned with. Now, closer to home, high pressure is keeping conditions very quiet in Chicago. You enjoyed a lot of sunshine today, 72 degrees. Our weather watchers are finding a little bit of lakefront cooling, but all in all, a very nice day. We currently have 70 when we check in with Patrice. Full sunshine there, light winds, and she's even given us that picture-perfect look from the West Loop, and you can see the lake and the boats, so peaceful. Well, what we expect is that these daytime highs we had of 73 at O'Hare, 77 Joliet, we're going to go warmer each day, and starting tomorrow, we are going to push more sunshine into the forecast, and we'll see high temperatures in the middle and upper 70s. So the pattern calls for us to lock this high in place. That front stalls along the eastern seaboard, merges with the landfall of Florence, and the flooding rains will continue for the mid-Atlantic here while we stay dry and quiet. So our forecast calls for a warm-up, calls for maybe a light lake breeze, but look at temperatures climbing into the 80s. Can't even find a raindrop in the next 7 days, Rob and Erica. So picture perfect for us.
Yes, I'd like to hear that. Thank you, Mary Kay.